California is known as the home of Hollywood and of the largest collection of billionaires in America. But new data shows that California is also America's poorest state. The U.S. Census Bureau says California's poverty rate is nearly 24%. This represents a huge jump over the state's previous poverty rate of 16%. This means that nearly 1 in 4 Californians are living in poverty. Experts say the high cost of living is a main cause of the poverty jump. Officials in Los Angeles say poor communities of color have been affected the most. They say corporations have purchased low-income housing across the city and forced the tenants out.
And we see that these communities have poorer health than the average in the city, that they've experienced far more displacement than the rest of the city, that poverty rates are much higher than the rest of the city.
Experts say California is also not utilizing its growing immigrant population. The majority of the state's college students are immigrants and will likely determine the state's future. Immigrant advocates say the poverty level would be lower if officials took action to give immigrants a path toward citizenship.
We all have a dream, that we have a dream to live without fear, that we have the dream to live with our families, that we have the dream to pursue an education and contribute back to the economy and strengthen our communities.
The numbers from the Census Bureau are part of a new method of determining U.S. poverty. The study takes a closer look at housing, medical costs, and food assistance programs. Researchers say it will be some time before Californians recover.
They will keep struggling until the economy levels off. This is just a reflection of the bad economic situation we're living with, high unemployment and lower income.
Experts say Californians are also experiencing the worst income inequality in America. Census Bureau data shows that the upper class is making more money despite the economy. Officials at the state capitol say they plan to address the growing inequality by implementing the new tax approved by voters in November. This tax affects only the state's top earners, with the money going to support education and other social programs. Ross Frazier, Press TV, Los Angeles.